So this is how you make a poutine with eggs. Step 1, we get the fries. Here are the fries. Step number 2 is super easy. You just put the fries in the oven or the air fryer. But since I'm alone, I got an air fryer, so it's way easier for me to get the fries ready. Be careful of the horned eggs, you silly goose. Don't forget to put the fry back in the air fryer and make them ready to eat. Alright, we're gonna get the sauce. We're gonna give our little spice to our poutine. So for the sauce, I got only one type of sauce. I got the barbecue. But for a poutine, you can put barbecue or hot chicken. But since I prefer barbecue, I'm taking the barbecue. This is Ben. A poutine without sauce is not a poutine. A poutine without sauce is like, sauce and fries. So yeah, no. So I will pour our little sauce right there into the bowl and put this sauce in the microwave for 5 minutes. While our fries and our sauce is getting ready, we're gonna prepare the cheese. The melting season of the poutine is the cheese, but a poutine without cheese is not a poutine. Otherwise, it's like fries and sauce. That's it. But our cheese for make a poutine got to be made here in our Quebec City, which is like cheddar cheese, but made it home. So it's like fucking better and fucking melting in your mouth. Like you're gonna taste it and gonna melt. Now that our cheese is ready, so it look a little like this, and I put this in the bowl so Ben don't touch it. While our food getting ready, I'm gonna play with my cat. This is Ben. Ben is my son, my only son. He is my best partner in the world, and he is a little silly goose like his father, and he's slay around. Look at him, go! Go Ben, go Ben, go Ben, go Ben. Alright, now that our fries, our sauce, and our cheese ready, we're gonna build up that poutine. So step 1, you put the fries in the bowl. Super easy to do. Just dry the fries, put it in your bowl, whatever you want, how much you want, but however fries you want. Okay, so to make the melt section of the poutine, I gotta give you a little trick. I put the cheese first, so not all the cheese, just half of it at least. So yeah, you put this right there. And after that, we gonna put the sauce on the poutine. And here we go. I get the sauce. Here we go. I'm not gonna burn myself. And yeah, look at that baby. You just wanna make love to that poutine, right? No, I'm kidding. Anyway, and after I put some sauce on it, I'm gonna put cheese on it. Because more cheese, because why the fuck not? And here we go, baby. We got our poutine ready. And now this is me enjoying my poutine. And gonna take a little taste A little bite. This is a fucking good poutine with eggs.